everybody, thought I'd make a quick video explaining how to do a few things in the Terminator X software. One of them, if you first open Terminator X and you see all the different ICFs that it has up at the top, and you don't need these, you can remove them. To do that, you would want to go to the toolbox, and then you can do remove individual configs, and this lets you remove the different configs. So if you have an automatic transmission that's like a Turbo 400, Turbo 350, something like that, and you don't need the transmission ICF in here, you can go to the toolbox, remove individual config, and then select transmission, and then it removes it from the list. Same if you're not going to use nitrous, or you're not going to use a turbo, or even if you're using drive-by cable instead of drive-by wire. You can go up here, toolbox, remove individual config, remove drive-by-wire, remove nitrous, remove boost. And this will clean it up a little bit to make it a little easier to see what you have going on.